So continuing with this previous problem, we considered this mid values are all these values, and this is our a, right? So xi minus a upon, we considered c as 20. So I will get that di's are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now this will be simple calculation if I consider this di and fi. So what will be fi di? So fi is here, di is here, so it will be minus 69, then minus 76. So these are our fi and di. Okay, so finally I'll get this sum as minus 43. Now what is my formula for arithmetic mean? X bar equals to a plus summation fi di upon capital N into c. Yes, so this summation a value of a is 419.5, right? So a 419.5 plus what is summation of di? Summation of fi di, sorry. What will be summation of fi di? It is minus 43. So minus 43 divided by what is sum of fi's? Sum of fi is 308 multiplied by class width is 20. Okay, so if you'll do this calculation, you'll get 419.5 minus 2.79. So this is very important whenever you are considering that change of origin and scale property. This a plus summation fi di by n into c is very important, right? So you will get that x bar as 416.71. Okay, now they have given us the next problem as, given that the mean height of group of student is 67.45 inches, find the missing frequencies of the following in complete distribution of height of 100 students. So height in inches they have given us, and we want to find what? We have to find the missing frequencies. There are two missing frequencies over here. So what are they? For the class, this 66 to 68 and 69 to 71. Okay, so these are missing frequencies that we have to consider. If this is considered as f1, this as f2, so the third and fourth will be f3 and f4, and last will be f5. So x denotes the height, and f3 and f4 are two missing frequencies. Now they have given this problem in terms of class intervals. So we have to find xi's, which are midpoints. Okay, so 60 plus 62 upon 2 gives me 61. So height in inches are 61, 64 and so on. Okay, so the table is something like this. See, class intervals are given, these frequencies. So f3, f4 are missing one. Okay, mid values are what? 61 for the first one. For the second one is 64, this is 67, 70 and 73. But we have to find this missing frequencies. So they have considered di as di equals to xi minus a by c. Now this di they consider, capital A they considered as 67, middlemost observation. So it is 67. So minus 67 divided by class width they considered as what? 3. How? 59. The 60 they consider converted this classes into continuous one by adding and subtracting 0.5. So 59.5 to 62.5. Here 62.5 to 65.5. Here 65.5 to 68.5 and so on. So they considered this class width as 3. After calculation they will get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. These are what? di's. So the next column will be what? fi di. So fi is given, this di is given. So after considering this they will get this as minus 10, minus 18, 0, f4 and 16. Why 0? Here 0 is there, so 0 into f3. So it will be 0, and 1 into f4 it will be f4, right? So addition of these fi's will be minus 12 plus f4. But the summation is